Morning all, busy one today. We've got our clear 182, we're prepping for Classics in the Park at Western Park tomorrow. But it's been that busy. I've also had Darren in with me today, because what have we been working on, Darren?
We've been working on a Mercedes SLK55 AMG.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous.
You've not really had a proper look at one of these before, had you?
No, I'm not. I hate to admit it, but I'm not very well known on the Mercedes and all the model numbers. But
whereas I'm a massive AMG fanboy.
Yeah, you've
so
been fanning over it all day.
yeah,
No,
so
the more I look into it, the more little pieces you find that are just
gorgeous.
Oh.
It's one of my dream cars, this is, so let's have a little look around it. Now we've finished signature valet today and a headlight restoration with the view to having a ceramic coat, paint correction and even a remap at some point. 380 brake this thing, but you know, that's not enough for the owner. So we're going to be looking at doing a performance map as well as the ceramic coat. Absolutely gorgeous car this. See, absolutely popping in the sunshine. Beautiful spring day. We're used to Easter weekend being a rainy one. It's gorgeous. They've got 25 degrees actually. Lovely way to spend Easter Saturday. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous car.